Father-son relationships, from differences to balance, keys to better communication. Father-son relationships are one of the fundamental connections in human life that can either be nurturing or destructive. This relationship can be a source of support, love, and deep connection, or in some cases, it can lead to isolation, anxiety, and tension. Therefore, addressing various issues in father-son relationships is crucial and vital. In this text, we will examine 5 common problems in father-son relationships and provide solutions to prevent them. These problems include constant comparisons made by the father, imposing unrealistic expectations and pressure, violating the son's rights and boundaries, demeaning and belittling the son, and pressuring the son to fulfill the father's desires. As we continue with these texts, we will analyze each of these problems in detail and offer solutions to build healthier and more positive father-son relationships. 1. Constant comparisons by the father. When a father continually compares his son to others, whether it's other children, himself, or anyone else, it can erode the son's self-esteem and lead to unhealthy relationships. Solution: fathers should use encouragement and positive interaction instead of comparisons and criticism. Encourage the son to believe in his abilities and talents and strive for personal growth. 2. Imposing unrealistic expectations and pressure. When a father has unreasonable expectations for his son and puts pressure on him, it can lead to unintended stress and anxiety in the son. Solution: fathers should keep their expectations reasonable and realistic, allowing the son to reach his own potential and interests. Open communication and honesty about expectations are essential. 3. Violation of the son's rights and boundaries by the father. When a father disregards the son's personal rights and boundaries, it can lead to resentment and conflict in their relationship. Solution: fathers should respect the son's personal rights and boundaries. They should allow the son to make his own decisions and respect his personal space. 4. Demeaning and belittling the son by the father. When a father belittles or disrespects his son, it can damage the son's self-esteem and lead to isolation. Solution: fathers should use appropriate language and constructive criticism rather than belittlement and humiliation. Support the son and encourage his growth and abilities. 5. Father's pressure on the son to fulfill the father's desires. When a father exerts excessive pressure on his son to fulfill the father's wishes and goals, it can lead to stress and the son's dissatisfaction. Solution: fathers should allow the son to choose his own aspirations and goals and encourage rational decision-making. Emphasize the importance of personal motivation and individual growth.